Graeme and I, and Graeme's our warehouse manager and one of our restorers, we're going to show you how to restore and how we're going to bring a leather trunk back to life again. We work with a natural balsam called Celtic balsam, which is made from 100% natural products. We just use sponges, and we will use a little bit of fine wire wool. We recommend using a very fine wire wool, which is a 00 or a 000 grade. But ideally you would avoid using wire wool at all. So the first stage is just to open up, grab that, and then Graeme will start to remove some of these little spots that are on the top of the trunk here. And what this is really doing is just really nourishing the leather, and it's bringing out a little bit of the colour, removing some of the grime, and you can see the kind of brass studs here, and those will also be brought back to life again, and it'll just make sure that the leather's nourished and it's not really going to tear or turn brittle and go dry. And a pot of this will cost about £16. Don't, whatever you do, use anything which is too artificial, anything with any kind of artificial colouring or any kind of solvents in there that may react with the leather. You don't really want to kind of clean the leather necessarily. So there we have one leather trunk with brass buttons, leather straps, a lovely piece of workmanship.